Hey guys, so in this video we will be showing you how you can get the location of a user's mobile phone if it is wrapped with BDK Native in Bubble.io. So before jumping into the tutorial, let's go through the demo real quick so you could have an idea on what we will be achieving in this video today. Thank you. So if you just click on locate me here, you will see that my location has popped up here, and you can see that I am currently in Lahore, Pakistan. So this automatically picks up my current location, and if you want to reset your location as well, you can just click on reset button, uh, and then it will reset you as well. So let me show you how you can actually get the location of the user through BDK. So for that you first need the BDK Natives plugin. So it comes for $16. So you should just go into the plugins tab. You can search for BDK, and this is the first plugin that you need to install. I've already installed it again, so it is just $16 for once. And then you can come into the design. So I'll quickly walk you through all of the things that I did. So to actually save the time of your time and my time as well. So you need to first have the GPS location. This is the element that you need to put here in the on the page, and then once you have added the element on the page, like I have added it already here. So it just has a width of 4 and a height of 1. So you just need to have it here, you don't need anything else. And then you just need a input whose content format should be address, and then you need these two buttons, and that's it. That is actually it. That is all the things that you need. So let me show you what I'm doing to actually get the location of the user. So when you click on locate me, and I'll show you the workflow. So this is just for the UX purposes, that I'm just showing an alert that we are currently locating you to the user, and then we are resetting the coordinates of GPS location. This is because before, so let's say you have already located a person one time. So you need to locate, so a person clicks on locate me again by going into another location, and if there was already location that was inside the GPS, this element GPS location element from BDK, so we just reset their content before actually populating them again. And then we ask permission. So this is required on both iOS and Android as well. So we need to ask permission for the user, that if they and we can only ask their GPS location if they they give us the location for the permission for the location. I'm sorry. And then when you click on when you have to go to step 4, you just have to enable the GPS. Since you now have permission for the location, you can just click on enable GS here. So these actions, all of these actions will come into your app as well if you install the BDK Native plugin. And then you have to get this action, get GPS location. So if you just search for get GPS location, you will see it here, and we have to choose the element that that is actually that we have put in the page, and that will actually contain the location. And then we need to exit. After this we have to have another event, like which will say BN GPS location is received. So it is a separate event generated from BDK. So we have to just click on this. So I have already added an event here, and what I'm doing is that I'm setting a state of current test to this to our page. So our page name is dev test. So I have added a state here called current address, whose format is just text. So or address. It is better if you make it address. Let me see if it lets me make it address as well. Create a new. Yeah, so you have to make it geographic address, and you can just name it anything you want. So this is geographic address. So if I remove it from here, so in this, from this event we can get, if you click on this, you can get this GPN locations address. That is all totally it, that is not required. And then you have to do some changes on the front end. So get back on the front end, and from the front end you need to make it the initial content as dev test current address. So you need to store this value, and then after this, the location of the user will be populated here. Let me show you how this reset button actually works. So if you click on reset, it actually resets the group that the input is in. So the whole input group is reset. Then it resets the contents of the GPS location element that we put on the on our page, and then it also clears out the state in which we had actually put in the address. So this will completely reset the input, and we will see, we will have the reset button as working. So that is how you can get the location of our users through BDK Native. Please let me know if you have any more questions on this, and keep watching Chakor. Thank you.